Alrighty, YouTubers, it is Saturday. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. We have another unboxing to do today. I'm not sure where this is coming from. I think it's A1 Smart, but I might be wrong. Links will be down below. Check them out. Let's see what they got to offer us today. I'm not sure if this is Amazon or just a unboxing video, so we shall see what this is inside. Here we go. This is coming from, we got a box right here. Boy. What do we have here? We got some screws. Yeah, screws. Another screws. Oh boy. Those are like stakes in the ground. Yep. Alright. Oh, these are sweet. Got some solar. I think it's still bright out. Oh, not sure about today. Still might work, so hopefully. Alright, these are manual. Comes with 4 LED solar in-ground light RGB. Ooh, this is easy. Alright, rock and roll. I'm not sure where this is coming from. But, like I said, I'll have the links down below. You guys can check them out. Oh, on. Okay, that is on. Ooh, look at this. There's a solar. It's like a UFO. Here's the back. Got the on-off switch. And is there a need to pull a tab or anything? Oh. And this is a 2-pack one they have. So definitely check them out. Grab a few for yourself. Parents' homes or whoever might want to grab a couple extra. This is really nice. Is that from the camera or is that from inside? That's from inside. It's like the waterproof thing. Okay, so let's switch. And now, oh, okay, I light up. All right. It's pretty bright, but right now it's not dark yet, so sweet. It actually look nice outside and probably in the backyard. Oh, it changes. Keep it like that. We got the blue, the green. How do I do this here? I think you gotta cross them. Like this. Let me double check with the instructions. I think that's how you do it. Yep, that's how you do it. Just make sure it's snapped in like so. It's like a rocket ship. There we go. That's nice in. And you gotta do is the little dance. Right there. Bada boom. I think you can mount these on the wall if you wanted to. So like for basement or garage, kind of like a floodlight. There's a blue. So either or you could use it. So this is really universal. So something cool coming out of these guys. I think it is A1 Mart. But if I'm wrong, my bad. Like I said, it'll be corrected in the description and everything. Here we go. Bump, bump. Alright. Ooh, there's a pop in. See? Like a rocket man. And then, see, blue, red. sure it's nice and that's what it looks like. So, yeah, and it'll go around like this. I'll show you guys when I'm going to set it up. This is definitely cool. So you get a 2-pack special. Links will be down below. You guys can check them out. But for now, I'm going to go outside, see where I want to put it, and then hook it up and show you guys in a few hours once it gets nightfall here. But that's what it looks like, kind of like during the daytime. But once I put it out, it ain't going to shine until nighttime. So the solar would chill or heat, warm it up, and then at nighttime it'll light up. So I'll be back in a few hours. Alrighty, YouTubers, here they are. Got the RGB lights installed, and they are rating of IP67, which is really good. There they are, and it is still daylight out. It's another couple hours. We'll see these in action. So I got these two, and that's from the 2-pack. And like I said, you guys can get it at a low cost. All you gotta do is click the link down below, and see you guys in a few. Alrighty, YouTubers, we're about to check outside now since it's nighttime finally here, and we're gonna see the ICLOVER, I do believe it is. Waterproof is IP67 RGB solar outside decor lights. So we'll take a look. Here they are down here. Outside tonight. There we go. Tamp it. Like this again. There you go. Pretty cool. Alrighty, YouTubers, have a good night and be safe, and see you back tomorrow.